Hey guys, short road trip today, so I thought I'd stop at some restores. You guys have seen this restore before. I've filmed here, other collectors have filmed here. Here is a very overpriced builder fan. Here's a CEC made Moss 30, kind of expensive but not crazy. There's an Encon. These brass track lights are kind of cool. I might get those. Here's some blades. Those are heritage. If they were DC-52, I was like, oh, perfect. Couple yard blaster covers. Some modern thing. Another modern thing. Those are cool. Okay. Thanks for watching.